My beloved brothers and sisters, we now conclude our worship today. We have been inspired and lifted to a higher appreciation of this wonderful message given by God sent through His servant, Pastor Perez. Thank you, Pastor Perez, for the inspiring message that we have to pray for one another. May we find joy of praying for our brothers and sisters and blessings of offering our intercessory prayer for others. Let me express my thanks to you who have taken time to participate in the program and those who found time to worship with us. May God bless you abundantly. Lastly, let me read to you from the writings of Mrs. Ellen White, Christ Object Lesson, page 250. It says, prayer unites us one to another and to God. Prayer brings Jesus to our side and gives new strength and fresh grace to the fainting, perplexed soul. With this in mind, let us always keep on praying for all the Lord's people. May God bless us all.